Okay, so see the experiment number two. Recycle the waste paper. Recycle the waste paper. What we are going to be learn? We are going to be learn recycle waste water. Recycle waste water. Okay. So now further, who will be going to read? What do we need? Chalo, who is going to be read? Yes, Keshwani, better you have to read it. Chalo, beta, am I audible all? Hello. Yes, beta, you have to read it. Start the reading. Who is going to be read? What do we need it? अभी तो मैंने बताया ना. अभी तो मैंने present भी करी ना screen. So now you are telling me what we needed. बताओ चलो बेटा. Hello. Am I audible all? Why you are not replying?
Yes, means. Okay, sir. What do we need? Collect waste
Yes.
paper. Sir, we complete this experiment.
नहीं बेटा ये
We
एक्सपेरिमेंट
have
पूरा
complete.
हुआ नहीं था. बाकी है पूरा
Sir, we have
एक्सपेरिमेंट.
complete this.
सिर्फ प्रोसीजर लिखी थी हमने. आई नो वेरी वेल. चलो स्टार्ट द रीडिंग एंड यू हैव टू
What
एक्सप्लेन
do
इट.
we need? Collect waste paper from school or home. Old newspaper, use notebook, old magazine, etc. Making cloth.
चलो
Farm
वेरी गुड.
a wire mesh with into its wooden block. Some get fit one block of the size of wood and farm is not rice paste.
ओके चलो मोटर और पेस्ट. कलेक्ट द वेस्ट वाटर फ्रॉम द स्कूल और होम एंड ओल्ड न्यूज़पेपर. आपको कलेक्ट करना है न्यूज़पेपर स्कूल घर से और ओल्ड न्यूज़पेपर आपको आपको कलेक्ट करते हैं. एंड यूज द नोटबुक. जो आप लोगों ने नोटबुक्स यूज किए वो नोटबुक यूज करने. एंड ऑल द मैगजीन्स आपके घर पर जो न्यूज़पेपर एंड मैगजीन्स आते हैं वो आपको सबको कलेक्ट करनी होगी. एंड बीकर बीकर में डालकर muslin cloth frame with the wire mesh fit into it. Wooden block, some mica sheet, a stone block of the size of the wooden wire mesh frame, a mortar and plaster. That will be all things we will going to be need in this practical. Now further who will be going to read the procedure? चलो अभी आपको समझ में आया कि कौन कौन सी चीज हमें चाहिए ये experiment में. But what is the procedure? Who is going to be read the procedure? चलो procedure read करो बेटा. Zaki, Zaki, can you tell me? Zaki, okay, Asarya, Keshwani,
Sir,
give me
yes,
answer
sir.
better.
Bolo, sir.
Start, start the reading. What is the procedure? You have to
Procedure.
telling me the
Tear
procedure.
the waste paper into small pieces. Put these pieces in a beaker and pour just enough to soak the paper and it and keep it aside for 1 day. Next day, drain the water and grind the soaked paper pieces with the help of mortar pestle to get a smooth pulp.
Smooth pulp. Okay, now fourth point. चल Zaki further three and fourth point. Complete कर.
Spread the muslin cloth in the wire mesh. Spread the wet pulp paste on the muslin cloth.
Beta,
Spread
who
on
will do it
wire
like that?
wire mesh frame to make a thin layer of put put Sunmike a sheet over the wet paste and place a block of stone over it so as to press the paste.
वेरी गुड चलो तो ये पूरी प्रोसीजर है ओके हुई ओके आसारिया
Yes, sir.
Yes,
you
sir.
have to tell him you have to read it huh
To read.
Sir, I can read SR as well, but
yes
Tear
Zohar
the
Abbas
waste paper into
producer. Tear the waste
अरे
paper into
प्रोसीजर
small
नॉट अ
pieces.
प्रोड्यूसर प्रोसीजर बेटा नॉट अ प्रोड्यूसर
Procedure. Tear the waste paper into small pieces. Put these
चलो
pieces in a beaker
जस्ट
and
मिनट
pour
नाउ
just
वेट
enough
वेट
to
बेटा
soak
वेट
paper and keep
वेट
it aside for 1 day.
ओके चलो पहले 6 और 7 लिखना स्टार्ट कर दो चलो
Okay.
then after you have to explain it आसारिया बेटा no problem but to 6 सब start कर देना keep keep it aside now turn off your mic everyone keep it aside for 1 day चलो next day the 7.7 next day carefully carefully remove the block of block of stone and carefully separate the pulp sheet pulp sheet from the muslin cloth okay chalo then after next 8 point what is the 8 point the 8 point is spread the pulp sheet spread the pulp sheet in open air under the sun or a fan to dry. Okay, note down the both point. Spread. So, chalo, return. So we're going to be move on 9th and 10 point.
Yes, you can move.
Okay, chalo. Chalo. Now the last 2 point. Remove the dyed means जो dry हुआ है वो dry sheet of paper Then after paper is ready to be used again. So till paper is ready to be used again. Chalo, do note down these 2 points and then we will going to be move on the observation. Chalo, chalo, लिखो जल्दी. Okay. Chalo, now further the observation. Chalo, now further we will going to be move on observation. Okay, we will going to be move on the observation. What is the observation? Okay, so now we will going to be move on the observation. Understood?
Observation.
Okay, chalo. So note down the heading of our there observation. Chalo, observation. Observation. So now we will going to be write the observation. What is the observation, all my dear students? Okay. So what we observe during the experiment, during the practical, we have to mention here. So now I'm going to be write the observation here. Okay. Compare compare the texture. Texture means जो उसकी shape है वो. Compare the texture and the color etc of initial 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 vase paper with the waste paper with one made by you. Chalo, this is observation and note down the observation, all my dear students. Do it fast and then we're going to be write the conclusion.
Now we can move on conclusion. No, sir.
Sorry,
No.
my mic is mute. Huh? Sorry. Okay. Now note down the conclusion. Paper may be recycled. Recycled. Okay. Paper may be recycled. Okay. Now further, we're going to be write the second point. What is the second point of the conclusion? The second point of the conclusion is what? The second point of
We
conclusion
can
is
use it.
very good. Reduce, reuse, reuse. Our motto is what? Reduce, reuse, or
Recycle.
recycle. Very good. And
Triple R.
recycle. Very good. Triple R.
3 R's.
Yes, 3 hours. Yes. Should be, should be our motto. Our motto. Motto means what? Aim. Our motto to save our environment and to save tree also. Okay. इस रिसाइकल करोगे तो क्या होगा?
वापस से यूज करने को मिलेगा.
हाँ, एग्जैक्टली बेटा, एग्जैक्टली. So this is what? This is a conclusion. चलो note down the conclusion, all of you. चलो, I hope you have done this conclusion, all of you. Note down the conclusion. Do it fast.
No, sir.
चलो.
Next
हाँ बेटा, बोलो. हाँ.
time, sir.
Just a minute, all wait. First, wait. I'm going to be save that project. Okay. Chalo. Now the last conclusion. Not down the conclusion all. चलो conclusion लिख डालो सब लोग पहले.
Sir, next time you can do the experiment in science lab, not this.
हाँ बेटा, मैंने तो दिखाया हुआ था, but you are not giving a proper answer. So why I'm going to be showing you? मैं कैसे दिखाऊं आप सब लोगों को बताओ. चलो, आप मुझे कोई दिखाओ अच्छे से प्रॉपर, सो मैं आप लोगों को प्रेजेंट करूँ ना प्रॉपरली.
Because my projector is.
चलो डन बेटा.
Sir, when you send this PDF,
ये पीडीएफ मैं सेंड करूँ. हाँ, आप लोगों ने लेक्चर्स में क्या किया बेटा? व्हाट शुड यू आर गोइंग टू बी डूइंग द लेक्चर? लेक्चर्स में क्या किया? मैंने बोला था ना आपको, कंपलसरी यू हैव टू नोट डाउन दिस थिंग्स. सेवेंथ बॉयज. Okay, so now all my dear students, compulsory you note down the practical in your where in your science